Aluminum black touch-up pen. So if you scuff your gun a little bit, I scuffed it right across the back. We're just going to use this guy, go right over the back with it here, touch it up a little bit. And there you go. You let that dry, you'll never know you did anything to it. So if you have any little scuffs or scratches or nicks in your guns, aluminum black touch-up pen by Birchwood is what I use to touch things up. And you can see that's already dried in there and you can't see where it was at. Really great product, really nice thing to have in your toolbox to pull out when you're working on guns. Touch things up, keep them looking really nice. Here we go. Don't push responsibility as an adult off onto a child. Buy gun locks and gun safes. Secure your firearm. Till next time, take care, folks.